Seeing eye to eye, understanding English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English idiom, seeing eye to eye. This phrase might conjure up images of staring contests, but its meaning is all about agreement and understanding. Let's unpack it. When we think about the words eye to eye, it suggests two people looking directly at each other at the same level. It's a position that indicates closeness and direct engagement. English is full of idioms, phrases where the figurative meaning is different from the literal meaning. Seeing eye to eye means two or more people agree on something. It's often used in the context of discussions or negotiations. Let's put it into context with some examples. After a long discussion, we finally saw eye to eye on the budget. It's refreshing to work with a team that sees eye to eye on the core values of the project. What about when there's disagreement? Simply add a not before the phrase. For instance, we didn't see eye to eye on the new policy changes. Understanding idioms like seeing eye to eye is crucial for English fluency. They add color to the language and are key to sounding like a native speaker. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you see eye to eye with native English speakers when you encounter this phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English idioms in no time.